We have already studied that volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube, where r is the radius of the sphere. Well, what will be the volume of a hemisphere then? You know, hemispheres are formed from spheres. Now, hemisphere is half of the sphere. It is exactly half of the sphere. So, the volume of the hemisphere should also be half of the volume of a sphere. So, we can say that the volume of a hemisphere is what? Half of the volume of the sphere. That is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So, what do we get? Half into 4 by 3 pi r cube. So, cancelling this, we get 2 by 3 pi r cube. So, we can say that the volume of a hemisphere is exactly half the volume of a sphere. So, cancelling 4 by 3 and half, we get 2 by 3 pi r cube, where r represents the radius of this hemisphere. Now, we found out that the radius of this hemisphere is 21 centimeter. So, can you find out the volume of this hemisphere? Well, the volume of the hemisphere, just now we find out that it's 2 by 3 pi r cube, r representing radius of the hemisphere. So, putting r's value, we get 2 by 3 into pi, that is 22 by 7, into r cube, that is 21 cube. Now, solve this. Now, solving this, we are getting 19,404 centimeter cube. Now, we are using cubic units to represent volume, because volume is always represented in cubic units. So, the volume of this hemisphere is 19,404 centimeter cube. Now, you can see that this watermelon is a sphere. You can see that. Now, let me slice this into two. Now, exactly from the center of the watermelon, I have sliced them into two. So, you can see we have created two hemispheres out of this. Now, let's take one of it, and I found out that the radius of one of the hemispheres is 12 centimeter. So, can you find out the volume of the watermelon in one hemisphere of it? Find it yourself. Well, we have found out that volume of hemisphere is what? 2 by 3 pi r cube, where r represents radius of the hemisphere, and we have already given you the radius of the hemisphere. So, now put the r's value in this formula. So, what do we get? 2 by 3 into pi, that is 22 by 7, into r cube, that is 12 cube. So, solving this, we are getting 3620.6, that rounds about 3621 centimeter cube. So, this is the volume of one of the hemispheres of this watermelon. So, you can say that the volume of the hemisphere is what? 2 by 3 pi r cube, where r represents radius of a hemisphere.